Hi, I'm Lowell Pulse, creator of Business 5S, or B5S for short. It's a proprietary process designed to rapidly boost the value of your business by transforming its performance. B5S combines strategy deployment, business excellence, and lean enterprise tools into a process that's capable of delivering double-digit improvement. Let's have a look. First, we'll review your existing visionary business objectives to confirm their priorities and goals. These transformational objectives are the natural building blocks of your strategy. Next, we'll define the projects, metrics, and resources necessary to achieve those goals, assign the tasks across the team, and begin to measure progress. We call this tactical initiatives deployment. The next critical step is to clear out the projects without a cause. These are active projects that consume resources but won't provide results in the desired time frame. So, out they go. With your transformational strategy defined, we'll address structure, which looks at your organization's functional capabilities as well as the distribution of resources, or the shape of your organization. For example, let's say that an increase in internet business volume is placing pressure for you to focus on internet marketing. Or perhaps competitors' efforts are forcing your electrically operated mechanical products to move to electronics and software. Each example might suggest the need for new skills or redistribution of resources to support the strategic needs. Structure will identify these needs so that you can deliver your strategy. Your structure review will provide a gap analysis highlighting needed capabilities, resources, and leadership, as well as an action plan to close those gaps. Having defined your structural needs, it's time to assign resources and measure performance. ADAPT is an assess and development process which adds training to close any skills-based gaps. ADAPT begins with a staffing review that matches the capabilities and resources present in the organization to those required by the strategy and identified during the structure gap analysis. If the structure review highlighted the need for new skills or capabilities, you'll need to identify employees with the capability to be developed in time to fill the gaps and achieve the strategy, or determine whether you'll have to hire in order to acquire those skills. Finally, training actions can be prioritized to fill the skills gaps, then implemented in a train-use approach for best results. Social sustainability could have been called cultural therapy, but there's no S in that. It's the secret sauce of B5S for the positive way it engages your workforce in the changes, avoiding the resistance that sometimes occurs. So let's look at Vinny, our doctor of behavioral pull. Behavioral pull is a system which utilizes visual and audible triggers to request the organization to respond to an issue. Both the desired type of response and the assignment to respond are put in place with training. Behavioral pull creates the people behaviors needed to support the new culture. Vinny achieves behavioral pull by communicating the vision and making it common, informing people about what's needed to achieve it, and involving them in the planning and execution, and finally measuring and reviewing progress before refining or adjusting the plan. Your success systems focus on your core processes, and here are some example core processes. I called the fifth S Success Systems to emphasize the difficulty in sustaining results. Borrowing an approach from the Malcolm Baldrige National Quality Award process, the business is segmented into 7 areas and assigned 1 or more core processes. We then ask you to think of everything you do in terms of what results you expect, how to approach it to get those results, and who needs to be involved to achieve them. It's a simple but direct way to look at your objectives. Success is achieved through the disciplined management of core processes using approach, deployment, results, and adding an improved step designed to ensure execution of your strategy in a way that consistently returns great results, fulfilling the needs of your customers, associates, and all of your stakeholders. So what's the B5S process like? It's methodical, rewarding work. You will begin to see improvements as quickly as the business issues get resolved, and a renewed focus on customer satisfaction and performance will emerge. But let's talk about return on investment. B5S can have a dramatic impact on your organization, and your actual time frame will depend largely on the extent of your strategy, but will usually be measured in months. At Chautauqua, we guarantee you far more value than you will pay for, and we have it in B5S. Thanks for watching.